Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Grandmaster in Marvel Snap. Grandmaster is a 4-cost, 5-power card with a unique on-reveal ability. When played, he moves another friendly on-reveal card from his location to the middle location. Crucially, that moved card's on-reveal ability then triggers again. This means you can activate powerful effects twice, creating massive swings in power or board presence. Understanding this core mechanic is key to mastering his potential. Grandmaster truly shines when paired with other strong on-reveal cards. Imagine playing Wung, then Grandmaster on top of a white tiger. This can result in 4 tigers appearing across the board. Dr. Doom is another fantastic target, adding 2 5-power Doom bots to the other 2 locations. Ironheart can give your cards a massive 3-time power boost. These combinations can quickly overwhelm your opponent and secure victories. Timing and placement are paramount for Grandmaster's success. Generally, you'll want to play him on turn 5 or 6 to maximize the impact of your double on reveal. Always place him in a lane that already contains the on-reveal card you wish to reactivate. Make sure the middle location has an open slot for the card to move into. Also, be mindful of potential opponent counterplays, such as Cosmo, which can shut down your on-reveal effects. Beyond standard double activations, Grandmaster offers advanced plays. For instance, if the middle location is full, moving a card there will destroy it. This can be a clever way to remove your own negative on-reveal cards, like a goblin. Be aware that opponents might use cards like Cosmo to block your on-reveal abilities. Also, cards like Rogue or Enchantress can remove Grandmaster's ongoing effects, so plan your plays carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.